Alright, so back 5 years ago, I filmed this wheelchair lift, but unfortunately it got replaced. Kind of looks like Koenig, so we'll just see if we can take a ride on it. I'll just say I like wheelchair lifts. So this thing, I don't know. It might need to be latched in its own. Just curious though. Just press and hold. But the thing is that I think this one has an automatic door that makes it not work. It's actually powered off though. I don't know, we should just turn it on. Okay, now we turn it on. And then we'll just have to close the door, I guess. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cool. It latches open too. Oh no, I heard a walkie-talkie. And here's the button too, so it does close when you hold it. Look at that. And it just goes down its own. We'll see if we can ride it again. I just need to go check out something. Right, here's the CHLA RT elevator. Alright, time to write the wheelchair lift down. It's a nice waterfall right there. There you go. Goes. Oh crap. There we go. I just heard the RT chime. And it pops open. That's pretty cool. That's a nice elevator. Let's see if we'll watch it close. We'll just leave it on. It's probably not gonna close. It takes like 10 seconds. Nice truck.